Hello, what is up mga monsters, sir ma'am? Ako po si Ralph C. Fres, ang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to unbox and review the Marvel Legends series celebrating 85 years ng Marvel. So ito yung Hulkbuster na action figure. So ito yung box niya. You have the cool background sa likod. You have the logos of Spider-Man in sepia mode. You have Captain America, Shield, Iron Man, Thor's hammer. It's a window type box, so makikita mo na yung actual figure dito. Then you have the Marvel logo celebrating 85 years, Hasbro logo. Side you have the Hulkbuster artwork, back of modular Iron Man. Tapos dito rin sa likod sa full artwork nung full concept art nung dito nakalagay dito yung full concept art sa likod. And then Hulkbuster, a specialized suit designed by Tony Stark. The Hulkbuster armor allows him to stand toe-to-toe with the Hulk when needed. Okay, so ito yung box art niya. Tapos na tayo dyan. Thank you very much Filwars Multiverse for this very cool na action figure. And nabalik ko to sa Filwars Multiverse sa SM North the Block for 3,600 pesos only. And the Hulkbuster measures around 9.5 inches tall and 7 inches wide and around 3.5 inches deep. So comparison niya sa Marvel Legends na 6 inches tall. Ito si Iron Man Disco Armor. So 6 inches lang siya, and this one is the 9.5 inches tall na Hulkbuster. Super nice na size. I think scale naman siya with the other Marvel Legends na action figures. Okay, first yung build niya. It's a very solid build na mabigat din siya. And yung plastic quality is very nice. Hard plastic yung iba. Tapos ito medyo mas soft yung plastic na ginamit para hindi maghihinder sa articulation. Tapos dito rin soft plastic din sa gauntlets and dito rin sa leg armor. Yung natanggal. Wait lang . Okay, sa paint application naman, you have the gold. Very nice gold. Medyo may pagka-warm yung gold niya. Nasa warm tone yung gold ni Iron Man dito. This one is a gold plastic. So medyo may marbling na appearance yung plastic dito sa kanyang stomach. Pero dito sa honeycomb pattern sa shoulder armors, gold paint yung ginamit nila dyan. This one's very nice. Yung very fine pattern dun sa gauntlets. And you have the lines here. Pati dito, yung honeycomb pattern is very cool. Pati yung mga inner mechanisms dito sa shoulders. Painted din yan ng silver. And you also have silver paint here sa mga inner mechanisms dito sa legs. And also, you have another texture segment here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ayan, 6 na textures. Pati dito sa sa ilalim ng kanyang feet. Meron din siya mga boosters na painted with silver. Okay, sa likod naman, you also have the booster parts here. Natatanggal to. Tapos meron ka ding booster part din segment dito na circular naman. And then you also have the arc reactor, inverted triangle dito sa kanyang sa front. And natatanggal din tong armor niya. Wait lang . Ayan. So pag tinanggal niya siya, medyo mahigpit lang. So 2 parts siya. Pag kinabit to, magiging chest armor ni Hulkbuster. So yung inner part nito, meron din siya ang texture. So I think it will be better if you paint it with black, tapos dry brush with steel or silver. Pati dito, meron ding texture. Mas tignan talaga nung pagkakagawa ng mga texture parts dito sa chest armor. Pati dito sa loob meron din. Also, kapag tinanggal niyo yung chest armor, meron siyang inner mechanism dito sa kanyang back, side, and front. Yung area ng arc reactor is hollow. Tapos yung kanyang face design, ito yung faceplate niya, it's gold. Tapos meron siyang mouth, dalawang eyes. Hindi siya LED version, walang mga light effects to. Tapos meron ding silver paint yung outline ng arc reactor. It's very, I think it's deep enough. Siguro kung papamodify ko to, papalagyan ng LED. I think pwede dito kasi may slot . Yun. Very nice din yung gold na paint na ginamit dito talaga sa ano, sa mga textured na segments. Tapos sa waist niya, it's a red waist. Yung red na ginamit dito, it's a red plastic na may mixture ng mga glitter. So nagkakaroon siya ng metallic sheen na meron parang pink na hue. So ganun yung rehistro niya in real life. Yung nakikita ko dito. Hindi ko lang alam kung nakikita sa camera. Okay? Pero that's what I see here in actual. Okay, meron din palang texture dito sa kanyang knees. Feet are very large. Ang ganda din to kasi para stable yung action figure. Tapos ito soft plastic para pag nag-articulate hindi ma-hinder yung movements. Pati rito sa kanyang feet armor. And then yung design ng kanyang toes, split toe siya. Okay, in terms of articulation naman, meron din ibang accessories like yung head ni Iron Man, kabit lang natin. Unmasked head. This one is very nice too. Look at the head of Iron Man. Of Tony Stark pala. Look at that. Unmasked head. So you have the hair na, I think merong mga parts ng hair na naka-extend sa front of his face. Tapos you have the eyebrows. The eyes are painted very clean. Itong action figure na to, walang level of weathering. This is very clean paint, very clean finish. I also have the mustache, the nose sculpt is very nice. And pati yung mga segments ng hair's black. Tapos yung I like the detail nitong facial armor niya na nakakabit flush dun sa cheeks and sa chin hanggang sa likod ng neck. Tapos ito pala yung head armor ni Hulkbuster, pag in-invert nyo, meron pa ring inner mechanism dito sa ilalim. Actually, kung ginawa nila to, painted naman pala yung ilalim. I think sana ginawa na rin nila dito sa chest armor. Kasi painted to silver. Yan. So I think kaya nila iniwan to kasi medyo malaki yung part na to. Ito medyo maliit lang kasi. So yung silver paint na gagamitin nila dito, konti lang compared to this. Kaya siguro nila iniwan to kasi yun nga, pag mas maraming paint yung ginamit, mas tataas din yung cost. Yan, meron din tayong extra hands dito na closed fists. For articulation, yung head move around 360. I think yung ito rin na move din to 360. Tapos arms can go arms can bend outward. Tapos ito, yung shoulder armor niya can also rotate. Try natin. Oh, nice. Can it go 360? 360? Oh, pwede. Oh, nakahiwalay naman pala to. Okay, that's nice. Okay, tapos meron ding rotation dito sa bicep rotation, elbow joint. Okay, around 90. Tapos, nagagalaw din tong kamay, nasa ball joint din siya. You can move outward and inward. And also meron ding cut dito sa chest. Wait lang kabit natin. Cut sa chest. Okay, medyo ratchet yung may ratchet sounds. Okay, stretch, crunch, ab crunch. Rotation ng waist 360, yes, pwede. Tapos naman dito sa legs, wala siyang pull down mechanic. You can twist and kick para mas malayo yung, actually pwede rin pala. Medyo soft tong soft yung plastic dito sa may thighs. Kaya pwede niyo siyang i-kick, something like that. Very nice. And then hirap. Double jointed na knees. This is very cool. Diba? More than 90 degrees. Tapos yung legs niya nasa ball joint. Okay? Alright, that's it. Ang gagawin naman natin dito, next na process is to customize the Hulkbuster armor. Gagawin natin siyang comic book style repaint. Okay? Tanggalin muna natin to. So kung medyo nahirapan kayo tanggalin yung mga parts, painitan nyo muna using a hair blower. Okay? So balik na natin yung chest armor and yung kanyang front armor tsaka back armor para ma-complete yung chest plate niya. Okay? So that's it mga ma'am sir. Yun ang ating review ng Marvel Legends Hulkbuster. Thank you very much Philbars Multiverse. Meron silang product na Hulkbuster. Gusto ko na rin talaga bilhin to. Nung first time ko to nakita, 3,600. Tapos nung pagkabalik ko kanina, nandun pa rin. So, minsan pag ganun yung, pag nakikita ko ulit yung laruan, saka ko pa lang siya binibili. Okay? So that's it mga ma'am sir. And also meron na rin pala ako naisip na gagawin dito for the custom repaint. Okay, so yun, thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye bye.